On December 1st, Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger announced his retirement and stepped down from the board, sparking market interest. During his 3-year tenure, Intel sought to revamp its semiconductor manufacturing and foster innovation. However, the stock price dropped from $68 in 2021 to under $20 in 2024, losing over 50% and becoming the Dow's worst performer. The board named David Zinsner and Michelle Johnston Holthouse as interim co-CEOs while searching for a permanent replacement. The leadership change coincides with Intel facing significant financial hurdles, including major layoffs and a $1.6 billion quarterly loss. Despite the challenges, the market reacted positively, with Intel shares rising nearly 6% on the news, reflecting investor hopes for a strategic turnaround.